Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can change a reporter for an issue or work item within your projects on Jira. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your project. Let me go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial, and next click into the work item or issue you'd like to edit. So let me go with this one here. And after that, you will see that menu or window popping up. So here to the right under details, guys, you will see various work item details like the assignee, the labels, the parent task, due date, start date, and at the bottom of that list also the reporter. The reporter is usually the user who also created the given issue or work item, but you can change that anytime, guys, by simply deleting that user and by clicking into this field again and by entering another user name. That's basically it. After that, deselect the user from that list below. Now, since I'm the only user or member within that example project here, I can't add anyone else, but you will simply see the username below, click into it and assign a new reporter. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.